Opening statements today in the trial of former Major League Baseball player Danny Serafini. He's accused of murdering his 70-year-old father-in-law, Gary Spohr, and the attempted murder of his wife, Wendy Wood, at their Homewood home in June of 2021. ABC 10's Roxanne Elias joins us live from the Auburn Historic Courthouse right now. Roxanne, what happened in court today?
Well, Laura, the small Auburn courthouse was packed today as the prosecution and defense gave their opening statements, altogether lasting about an hour. Now, the judge in this case only will allow still photography today. And as you can see earlier, Assistant Chief Deputy District Attorney Richard Miller began his opening statement by telling jurors that they would be shown evidence that the shooting of Gary Spohr and Wendy Wood was planned by Danny Serafini. He quoted from a text message from Serafini that mentioned $20,000 and said, "I'm going to kill them one day." He then showed maps of all the places Serafini and his alleged accomplice Samantha Scott had been on the day before the shooting, including the day of and after it had happened. And all that evidence will show surveillance video of the vehicle the two used to drive to and from the couple's home. Serafini's lawyer, David Durant, went next. He told jurors that the man seen running in surveillance video outside the victim's Homewood house is not Serafini. He says that the mannerism and body shape are not the same as their client. He then told jurors that Samantha Scott would testify for the prosecution because she had made a deal that would allow her to get off easier and on lesser charges. He asked that the jury pay close attention to her testimony and to compare it to the actual facts. Dratman then addressed the money situation by saying that money was not a motivator in this case because Serafini's in-laws were very generous and had given his wife $90,000 on the day of the shootings. Back out here live, the trial is expected to start back up around 8:30 in the morning with the prosecution showing its evidence. I'm live in Auburn. Roxanne Elias, ABC 10.
Some stunning new details there, Roxanne. We'll be following this closely on air and online at abc10.com. Roxanne, thank you for the update.